I got given a couple of garden gnomes yesterday, so, well, they offered them to me anyway, and I said yeah, so why not? But these are them. These are going to be my guardians of home allotment veggie beds. But yeah, they look like they're supposed to be like superhero type things. So yeah, this one's supposed to be like a little ladybird, but as you can see, she's lost her little bits on the top of her head. But hey, I'm not worried about that. So yeah, that's got to be worth a thumbs up, isn't it? Come on. Hello all, welcome back. Thanks for your comments, subs and likes. Last week's video done really well. It's got over 500 views so far, so thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, then the bell's down that corner. Click on the bell, click on all, and you'll get my notifications when I do a new upload. Right, I'm going to get rid of all this tomatoes and peppers out of here, I think. Then I've got a few things to get rid of outside, so I'll take you outside when I do that. Right, these are my golden sunrise, so I'm going to take all of these off, the yellow ones as well, but I'm going to take them off on the truss like that, because then they last longer in the fridge. Right, so I'll just get on with this and put a bit of music over the top. There's a truss here, but I'm going to leave that, see if they can ripen. So I'm just going to take these out now as well. These are the tags that I use to tie them up with. So I'll get these down, then I'll bring you back afterwards. Oh, there you go, Timbo. Yeah, right, I'll get back to you after I've done this. Right, these are bottomless pots that I've had my tomatoes in. So all I'm going to do is just lift them up and empty all the soil out and just leave it in the bed like that. Obviously, I've left one in actually. I'll show you that in a minute. Blimey. And this last one. It's not going to go that way, so I'll turn that over that way. I'm not going to worry about these roots or anything, they're just going to rot off, to be honest. They're only the roots and the tomatoes, so it's nothing really to worry about. I might have to use just half of this one that's left. But as you can see, the bed looks quite full now, but you'll be surprised how much this will go down. Don't forget I put grass clippings on here earlier on in the year as well, so they've rotted down as well. So yeah, there you go. That's that bed sorted. I'll just do the other side, the round ones on this other side of this. Then I'll get back to you and show you both sides. Right, that's them tomatoes out. As I said, I left this one because it's got a nice truss on here, like that. I'm going to leave that a little bit longer, see if they ripen. If not, then I'll just take it out. But as you can see, that's the bed nice and full now, so that's not too bad. That bucket, I probably won't be able to get all that in there, so I'll probably put a bit in these ones. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to grow a cauliflower in one of these and a cabbage in one of these over winter and see how we go. See if we can get a nice big cauliflower and a nice big cabbage. But there's loads of waste that needs going out as well. But yeah, now that I've done that, I need to get these pots and bottles put away, get that cleared and put in a bin. And get on and pick the rest of these sweet peppers. It doesn't matter if they're green, I'm not bothered about that. I'm just going to pick them all. Pick out the ones that I'm going to keep because some of them look a bit manky like that. So yeah, I'm just going to pick all of these and obviously keep the ones that I'm going to keep, and the rest I'm going to put in there. So I'll get on and do this and I'll get back to you after that. Well, it's starting to look very bare now, as you can see, or you saw earlier. I've got all my tomatoes out except for that one. I've cleared all the peppers off and harvested them. Still got a few trays to sort out. But I've moved my lilies into that water tray there. I'll probably give them water because they're like bone dry. And these are all the pots from the sweet peppers. Once I build this bed, I'm just going to tip them into that bed. But I have got the wood cut in there. It's already been painted up. So all I really need to do is just put it down and yeah, build a bed like last time, like I built this bed. And as you can see, I've cleared my bench off, and I always like to sweep the bench off and stuff. Once all the pots are gone, give it a nice clean, then it doesn't build up, and just clear up as you go. So yeah, a little tip for you, just do it as you go. Then you haven't got a big pile of stuff to do at the end of the year. You can get on with doing other stuff. Just spend 5-10 minutes doing it, and then, you know, save you a lot of work later on when it's all built up. I've moved my winter veg or brassicas from up there and on there and what have you. These are the Snowball cauliflower that's been eaten. So I don't know whether they come to anything. It looks like the bottom leaves are starting to grow, but I don't know whether, because of the other leaves have been eaten, I don't know if you'll still get a broccoli. So yeah, if you know, put a comment down and I'll pin it for you. So yeah, if you know and you think I'm going to get some broccoli, cauliflower out of this, let me know and I'll pin you so you stay at the top. Right, but yeah, as you can see, it doesn't take long to fill the bench up again. I've just moved my stuff here, like these are the kohlrabi. No, it's not. It's the cabbage, sorry. It's been well mullered by 3 of them, but it's still got a couple. Needed watering really. This is the cabbage golden acre. Those are the 2 cauliflowers, Snowball, that hasn't been touched by whatever was eating that stuff over there. And this is my calabrese. Only one has come up, so yeah, what can you do? As I said before, these are my lilies. These are the irises. I might just chop the tops of these off, to be honest. because I don't think they're going to do much more now, so I'll just probably chop them off as well. Right, I'll take you outside and show you the failures. Right, these were my French climbing beans, but as you can see, they've died off. They got cooked by the sun, and the same with my runner beans as well, so I need to take them out really, because they're not going to do anything. Then I can store my canes. That's a winter radish, it's gone to seed. Winter radish red meat, so I'll pull that up actually. I'll get that borage out as well, I don't want that there. I've got a few beetroot in here as well that sort of like died off and come back half a dozen times. Well, probably not that much, but you know what I mean, so I'll take them out as well. I'm gonna take all of these out as well, get all of this into the compost bin, because that ain't gonna do nothing now. Right, this is a beetroot bolt hardy. Not expecting a lot, to be honest, because they died off I don't know how many times and come back. So let's see what we get. See if we get anything. Anything worth keeping, I should say. Probably not. Put them all in there so you can see even the rotten ones. Probably just going to chuck them anyway. Yeah, good thing so. Do a bit of weeding while I'm here. Didn't think that'd be any good, to be honest. Right, I'll show you what I've got. Most of them have rotted anyway, so yeah. As you can see, that nothing really, nothing worth keeping. So I'll be putting them in the bin with the weeds and stuff. Right, I'm just going to pull them out because I'm not keeping them. They're going to go straight in the compost bin. Right, I've taken all this stuff out. There's still a few weeds in there that I'm going to weed out, get rid of, like in the path and a little bit, but nothing really that bad considering I haven't really weeded it this year. A lot of grass has come up over here actually, so I'm going to need to get in there and get that weeded as well. But as you can see, it's all clear now, besides the weeds that is. So yeah, I've got this pallet in the week. So what I'm gonna do, I've got some old blinds in here that I've managed to scrounge up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab a couple of these and hopefully these will be big enough to put it over the top. Oh, quite easily actually. I'll probably only really need one, to be honest. I could cut them off, but hey, let's do this anyway. Oh yeah, that's going to cover that quite easily. Look. Oh, no, not quite, but yeah, it will do actually. I'm going to need to cut it a little bit, I think. Get rid of this bar thing. See if I can get any more out of this. Oh, it's only stuck on there actually, it's peeling off it. Sorry that is, but oh yeah, someone put a bit of duct tape on the back of it to hold it there, so I'll just cut that along now. Then get rid of this bar thing, and then I can use it to cover the top of my bin. Something like that. I've put them bricks on there for now, but I've got some felt tacks. I'm just going to tack it in, but you don't need to see that. So I thought I'd just show you that. I've still got that one, and I've got another one as well. So eventually, when I move this bin, I want to move it up into that corner there. I want to do the sides and the back as well. So it's totally enclosed. So yeah, but like I say, I've got tacks to put in there, but I'm not going to show you that. I'll just put the bricks on there for now. I'll probably do it tomorrow or something. Right, this is my last harvest of this year. I think everything's out now, so I've still got, well, there's a few sun golds in there. I've got that one white onion, Snowball, that I left in. This is that winter radish, red meat. I've got a mix of peppers, red, banana. There's a lot of green, but some of them obviously hasn't ripened, but yeah, whatever. Red, orange. Ones that are just starting to turn, it's more like a chocolatey brown colour, but yeah, doesn't matter. We'll get rid of that one, that looks a bit manky. That can go in the bin. But yeah, so that's going to be my harvest, I think, for this year now. So right, that's it this week. So thanks for watching, commenting and subbing. If you haven't subbed yet, the bell is down in that corner. Click on the bell, click on all, and you'll get my notifications. I'll leave a link up in this corner to show you how I saved my peppers from last year, or my sweet peppers from last year. So right, I'll catch you next weekend. Bye.